Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's in night black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys, tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of brand new floor mats, all season and regular, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside we have blind spot assist. This does come with the Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included a smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. A satin brown wood trim. Media display. This one also does come with the convenience package with auto dimming mirrors and garage door openers. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 35,060 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.